Konnichiwa mga pasyador! Another blessed day again to you guys! This is Christopher D at Port of Sasebo, Japan! Welcome back to our channel mga pasyador, and for those new recruits out there, welcome! Isa na kayong certified pasyador! Yeah! Before we start guys, normal, I would like to say thank you for your support to our channel. And for today's video artist, a certified pasyador, a big shout out to Zen Rongrong, Shesheni. And also, thank you and big shout out to Elodie Betty, Boss Rap 26 Mendoza, Kram Retanan, Govinda Saud, and Yet Garces. Woohoo! Thank you guys! And for those I didn't mention, stay tuned till the end of this video guys. At kung gusto mo ma-shoutout sa next video natin, just leave a comment below. So mga pasyador, no more taka-taka. Let's start our Pasyador tour. Are you looking for the best burger in town? Want to visit the famous shopping mall? Or you want to check the awesome train station? Join us guys and let's explore the city!
Konnichiwa from Sasebo, Japan. Where's the ship? With my travel buddy, Rong. Say hi. Hi,
First up, the awesome Sasebo train station. Ang Sasebo Station ay ang pangunahing istasyon ng tren sa lungsod ng Sasebo, Nagasaki Prefecture sa Japan. Ang Sasebo Line ng Kyushu Railway Company at ang Nishi Kyushu Line ng Matsuura Railway ay nagbibigay ng lokal, pangrehiyong serbisyo at koneksyon sa malawak na RJ network. At sa loob ng istasyon, makikita ang isang napakalaking display ng trumpo o koma sa salitang Hapon. At sa paligid ng istasyon, meron ding mga sweet street foods.
Okay, here. I'll buy one bar and I will try.
Wishy. Good.
Sure.
What?
Don't lie.
Okay. What? You're smiling, ma.
Sure, it's good. I don't believe it.
Next up, kung naghahanap ka ng pamilihan for nice clothes, Ekimachi One Chrome Shopping Mall is the right place for you. Ang iba't ibang mga tindahan tulad ng souvenir shop, convenience store, flower shop, kitchen shop, at iba pang mga tindahan ay maginhawang matatagpuan para sa iyo upang gamitin ang iyong oras sa paghihintay at magsaya sa pamimili. At meron ding mga branded clothes items guys for your beautiful ladies. And handsome gentlemen. At ang maganda rito, may free wifi. You can sit like a king while waiting. Last stop mga pasyador, the famous burger in town. Ang iconic burger na ito ay pinanganak noong 1950 matapos mailagay ang pwersa ng Estados Unidos sa Sasebo. Ang isang restaurant ay nakakuha ng isang recipe ng hamburger mula sa US Navy at ito ay nagresulta sa paglaganap ng mga hamburger sa restaurant na malapit sa base. Go to the counter. Normal. Check. Choose your best burger. Check. Go outside. Chill. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes kasi pinapasarap pa. At voila! Your burger is served!
Now we try their amazing burger. Their famous amazing burger here in Sasebo. See? Gucci. Good. I wish. Yeah, I wish. Yummy. Very good. See? Look my hand. Very dripping. So soft. Tender. The bun is good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. It's so good. That's why this makes good. See? Okay, bye. 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 Thank you. Woo! Burger. Best.
Next time you're here at the city, this is a must to try. Alright guys, another Pasyador tour na naman ang ating natapos. But before we say sayonara, thank you and shout out to Yasimin, Mangkulas Vlogs, Rodo Blumlao, International Pasyador, and Mr. Gundul. Thank you guys! Alright guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share, leave a comment below, do subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos and be a pasyador. Arigato gozaimasu. Take care always guys. See you in the next sport. Ciao ciao.